US President Donald Trump's new tariffs against Mexico, Canada, and China will take effect from March 4. These include a 25% tax on goods from Mexico and Canada and doubling the tax on Chinese goods to 20%. These measures are reigniting fears of a potential trade war, which could lead to higher inflation and slow down economic growth. So, what are tariffs? Well, tariffs are taxes imposed by countries on imported goods primarily used to protect domestic industries. However, these taxes can also drive up consumer prices, impacting everyday Americans. So, how would tariffs impact Americans? Well, the tariff hike could lead to inflation, especially in sectors like electronics, automobiles, and agricultural products. According to Forbes, if businesses pass along half of the increased costs, consumer spending could rise by 0.81% and 1.63% if the full cost is transferred. This could make consumer goods such as cell phones, clothing, computers, and electronics more expensive. The automobile industry is particularly vulnerable. A 25% tariff on steel and aluminum imports could raise the cost of cars by $3,000, impacting both consumers and manufacturers. Additionally, with over 70% of US delivery trucks and 35% of computers imported from Mexico and significant portions of electronics and agricultural products sourced from China and Canada, the tariffs could raise prices on many everyday items. Then, the agricultural sector is also expected to feel the strain. The US imports a large share of its fruits and vegetables from Mexico and Canada. With agriculture relying on low profit margins, these tariffs could lead to higher grocery prices, particularly for items like vegetables and fruits. Therefore, in light of potential retaliation, Trump has urged American farmers to prepare for an uptick in domestic production, emphasizing that tariffs will push foreign agricultural products out and encourage US sales. Now, in response to Trump's tariffs, Mexico, Canada, and China have warned of retaliation. Canada has prepared counter tariffs on US goods, while Mexico's president announced her country's response plans. China too expressed its dissatisfaction and vowed to take countermeasures. Now, as tariffs set in, it's clear that both the US and its trade partners are bracing for significant economic shifts.